Come on, watch it. I open the trunk now. Do you see it? After using the car for a long time, the trunk will not pop up. I have to open it by hand every time, particularly troublesome. So what should we do? Today, I will teach you a trick to solve. There is a spring in the trim panel of the trunk. Look, there are 3 holes here. The spring is now hooked on the first hole. We hook it into the second hole. It is good. The spring on the left has been adjusted. There is also a spring on the right. Look, this spring is also hooked into the first hole. Tune it to the second hole. Well, isn't it very simple? Next, put the trim panel back on. Same here. It is good. Both sides have been installed. Then it's time to witness the miracle. I'm not going to open the trunk now. If it bounces off, brothers, double tap the screen to support me. 3, 2, 1, go! Do you see it? The problem has been completely solved. How about it? Isn't it very simple? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.